Hey everyone! Did you know that the right video tools can significantly elevate your content creation game? We reviewed 16 different YouTube video creation tools and handpicked the very best specifically designed for creating videos fast and super easy to create. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing digital design output, or just want to create videos fast without any professional editing video skills, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. First up is Runway Gen3. This incredible tool allows you to create stunning media clips instantly using just your prompts. Imagine being able to visualize your ideas effortlessly. Runway generates short clips ranging from 5 to 10 seconds, making it ideal when you can't find the right stock footage for your projects. This tool is perfect for those moments when your creative vision doesn't align with available stock videos. With Runway Gen3, you can translate your imagination into reality. Next up, let's talk about Dream Machine. AI model is all about speed and quality. It can quickly create high-quality, realistic videos from text and images, making it a fantastic resource for busy creators. What's really impressive is Dream Machine's scalability and efficiency. Dream Machine produces consistent and engaging video shots that feel real. Imagine having a tool that can help you visualize your concepts without the lengthy editing process. So, if you're looking to streamline your video creation process, this is a tool you definitely want to check out. Next up is Wondershare Virbo. This tool allows you to create animated speaking avatars that look incredibly realistic. You can choose between landscape or portrait formats, making it versatile for different platforms. One of Wondershare's standout features is the ability to upload assets like photos and audio to enhance your projects. Plus, it supports multiple languages. With its smart optimization feature, you can easily adjust the tone of your scripts to sound more professional, happy, or engaging. Wondershare Virbo even translates videos, synchronizing mouth movements to make avatars appear as if they're actually speaking. This tool is perfect for creators looking to add a unique touch to their videos. If you need undetectable AI-generated content, GravityWrite is your answer. This tool allows you to generate any content you want, from blogs to social media posts and YouTube scripts. GravityWrite provides ready-made templates tailored for various content types, allowing you to create amazing material effortlessly. Whether you're running a business or just need engaging posts, GravityWrite has all the tools you need at your fingertips. With GravityWrite, you can focus on your ideas while the tool handles the writing. It's perfect for anyone looking to save time and still produce high-quality content. Next is GoEnhance, a fantastic tool that allows you to turn any video into an animated version. All you need to do is upload your video, and GoEnhance takes care of the rest. No animation skills required. This tool is perfect for those who want to add a fun twist to their videos without the hassle of traditional animation methods. Just upload your video file, wait a few moments, and voila! You have an animated version ready to share. Whether you're creating content for social media or YouTube, GoEnhance makes it easy to stand out. Let's check out Opus Clip. This app is known for its speed in generating videos. Opus Clip summarizes videos based on their virality, making it an excellent choice for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. However, be aware that Opus Clip only produces content in portrait mode. Next up is Gling, a fantastic tool that cuts your editing time in half. Simply upload your video file and Gling will automatically trim bad takes, silences, and unnecessary clips. After the trimming process, you can export your video as an MP4 or save it for further editing in software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. This tool is perfect for those who want to streamline their editing workflow. Next we have is Glasp. Glasp is here to simplify your content research and creation. With its intuitive summarization capabilities, you can quickly condense videos, web pages, or PDFs. This saves you precious time, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating great content. Next in line is Firecut. Firecut is designed to supercharge your editing workflow. With features like automatic multi-camera cutting and caption generation, it helps you achieve a rough cut of your video in minutes. It even detects silence in your clips and automatically adds zooms to emphasize key moments. Plus, it generates chapter markers, making your videos more organized and viewer-friendly. One of my absolute favorite tools is Capcut. I just really love this, and this is called Capcut. Capcut is an incredible video editing app filled with AI tools that make editing faster and easier. From background noise removal to smart cuts, it transforms your raw footage into polished videos. Capcut also offers ready-made templates, so even if you're not feeling creative, you can still produce professional-looking videos effortlessly. Next up is the fastest video generating app that generates a video in just a few minutes. Introducing Invideo. Invideo AI is perfect for quickly generating videos based on your prompts. Just type in your specific ideas, and the AI will create a video for you. While it's not perfect, it's great for creating quick content for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. You can even add AI-generated voiceovers and subtitles. Here's another great tool I like, Flexclip. Flexclip offers high-end editing features and customizable templates. It's user-friendly and allows you to add various elements to your videos. However, Flexclip's AI voiceover can sound a bit robotic, so keep that in mind when using it. Despite that, Flexclip is a great tool for those looking to enhance their editing capabilities. Next we have on the list is Veed. Veed is a complete package for video creation. It provides ready-made templates, stock footage, and AI tools to speed up your editing process. With features like auto-transcription and cool effects for subtitles, Veed makes it easy to create engaging videos that stand out. Another app you should consider and try is Flixier. Flixier is another great editing app that boasts a professional-looking timeline. It offers a wide range of tools to make your editing easier. With built-in stock images and videos, as well as text templates, Flixier simplifies the editing process, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Lastly, we have Clipchamp, which features phenomenal tools like text-to-speech and simultaneous screen and webcam recording. This is fantastic for creating engaging narration-style videos. With its auto-caption feature, you can easily generate transcripts of your videos. Plus, it offers ready-made templates to help you connect with your audience. So there you have it. Our list of the best YouTube video creation tools specifically designed for making your video creation faster and easier that will save you lots of time. Did you find this video helpful? If so, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite tools or any that you think we missed. Want to learn more ways to use AI for amazing video and content creation? Visit aivideogold.com and click on the link on the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.